Hello, children. Good morning. Today, let us have a recap of Lesson 8 Cleanliness in EVS. For a healthy life, we must keep ourselves and our surroundings clean. Cleanliness is a good habit which must be practiced at home or in school. Cleanliness protects us from various diseases and illness. Therefore, we should keep everything neat and tidy. Clean habits. Brush your teeth in the morning and after each meal. Always wash your hands before and after eating. Bathe every day with a soap. Keep your nails clean and cut. Cover your face while coughing or sneezing. Wear clean and ironed clothes. Keep shoes clean by polishing, brushing, and washing. Wash your hair with a good shampoo and comb daily. Keeping our homes clean. We should keep the floor of our homes clean. Unclean floors have germs which can make us sick. The bathrooms and kitchen should be kept clean and dry. We should keep the windows open in the morning to let sunlight and fresh air in. Sunlight kills the germs present in the air. Waste should be thrown regularly in the garbage bins. Everything should be kept in the proper place and not strewn around. Strewn means scatter things untidily on the floor. Keeping our school clean. It is important to keep our school clean. We should not throw pencil shavings, paper bits, or chalks in the classrooms or playground. Not write on the desks and walls of the classroom. Not play inside the classroom. Not spill food or water. Not turn over the chairs or other furniture. Throw waste material such as pencil shavings and paper bits in the dustbin. Not break any school property. Take care that desks and chairs are arranged neatly. Keep books neatly on the shelves. Roads, parks, markets, bus stops, and public buildings such as hospitals, post offices, and railway stations are called public property. They should be clean all the time as they are used by many people every day. Keeping public places clean. We should not litter the roads. We should not draw or scribble on the walls of public property. Drains and sewers should be cleaned regularly to prevent water from spilling out. We should not spit on the road. We should plant trees to make our surroundings beautiful. Stagnant water must be cleaned from the streets. Stagnant means not moving. We should use public toilets when we go out. Why do we need toilets? Using clean toilets is essential for our health. Clean toilets keep us safe from germs and prevent diseases and illness. So they should be cleaned regularly. The government of India has started a program called Swachh Bharat Abhiyan or Clean India campaign to make India a clean place to live in. It encourages the use of toilets and also helps people to build toilets in their homes and neighborhood. The campaign was officially launched on 2nd October 2014 at Rajghat, New Delhi by our Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Good toilet habits. Always flush toilet after use. We should wash our hands with soap and water after using the toilet. Always turn off the taps after use to avoid wastage of water. Thank you.